Perfect home in Mission Viejo. End unit located in Aliso Villas off of Los Alsos. Comfortable and inviting living room with beautiful dark bamboo wood flooring, gas fireplace, recessed lighting. 2 windows that let in lots of light, stainless steel appliances, spacious master bedroom features new carpet, fresh paint, walk-in closet. Additional features include inside laundry area and reserved parking spot. Call Martin Folch of Realty One Group at 714-348-0154.